So this question is way easier than it sounds. You just need to focus on the right pieces. They're telling you the area is represented by W times W plus 9, and W is the width. So you hopefully know, you can look at it up in the reference chart if you need to, but you hopefully know the area of a rectangle is length times width. So if W times W plus 9 is the area, and that equals the length times the width, because they do just say that W is the width, then we can just say, oh, okay, let's just divide both sides by W. The W's go away, or maybe you don't even need to do that to see that the length has to be this other piece. So D is the answer here. If in any way you're uncertain, we could arithmetize, right? How many times do you have a rectangle that's W by W plus 9, whatever it is, inches, so centimeters. So just make a rectangle, come up with a value for W, let's just do 1, and then what would the area be? Well, that would be 1 times 1 plus 9, so that would be 1 times 10. So 10 is my area. The only way you're going to get that is if 10 is also the length, and so that gives us choice D. Now I do realize that also would give us choice A, so maybe I shouldn't have picked 1 for W. I should have picked something a little bit more complicated like 2, right? If I do that, then it does change it a little bit, because then 2 times 2 plus 9 would be 2 times 11, which is 22. And so now you can be like, okay, what's going to get me that area? Well, 11 times 2 is 22. And so here, 2 plus 9 is 11. That works out. But here, 2 times 2 plus 9 is still 22. So hopefully too, even if you messed up the arithmetize at first like I did, you would still see like, oh, wait a minute, this is the same thing. How could that be the length if that's the area? So I don't know. Basically, there's so many ways to get this, but all of them involve just being careful as you read and not getting scared by the length of the question, right? It's long, but it's asking just about rectangles and areas. That's a very simple concept you've known for a long time. Trust the process, and you'll be able to get it.